Hi, it's Lee Goldstein from thenewstraders.com, and I want to show you the anatomy of two trades. They're both on the same news report, but both were traded quite differently. Our trade, which we trade like the average member that we have in the room, we have a medium-sized account, medium to small, and we're trading 2 to 5 contracts. That's what probably the most regular type of member trades like in our room. But there are quite a few also that trade very large sizes. So I want to show you what happened on yesterday's ISM manufacturing trade. First to us, trading 4 contracts. I was hoping for a good move, so I had a first target of 5 ticks. I had a second target of 12 ticks. And unfortunately, the news was mixed. Okay. And it created a stuttery kind of move. I moved my stop. It hit my first target for $100 profit. And then it reversed very quickly. So I was only able to grab a $90 total profit on the trade because of that reversal. Now, that's not anything done wrong. That's not an error that I made in trading. It's just what it is. The trade popped, hit my first target, stole a tick from me when I got out as I was moving my stop to protect my target. Now, we have a member who trades very large sizes. On the same exact trade, look at what his profit was. $1,335 because he traded a lot more contracts than I did. Okay. In fact, it looks to me like he traded 27 contracts, is what it looks like to me is possible. And it makes sense because he only made a couple of ticks, he told me. So it's a great thing to understand that if you start out small, you can build your account. You have something to look forward to as you get better and better, trade more and more contracts. It's a great thing. So we made almost $100 in 14, 15 seconds. He made $1,300. Point is, it was a prime trade. I trade prime trades no matter what. It's the seventh ISM manufacturing profit in 7 months, 7 in a row. So, I traded 4 contracts. I could have had a $400 trade had the news worked perfectly. It didn't. It popped and it reversed, and I was able to protect my profit and make a small profit. But someone who trades big, he wound up with a $1,300 profit. So we all have something awesome to look forward to as we build our accounts together and start trading more and more contracts. Lee Goldstein from thenewstraders.com. I hope you enjoyed this short little video.